Hello, dear boys. Now we are going to Lost Spring for revision. And here in Lost Spring, several videos have been already given by me. And you have studied it in details. And at present, in this session, and I am going to focus on the relation between contact of a person and contact and connections of a person and the possibility for prosperities of the person in life. So you find that there are these pickers. Rag pickers go without shoes because they are in a perpetual state of poverty. Anish Jung tells uh, about the son of a priest, and after several years, when she visits that temple again, she finds that this son of the priest is now leading somewhat prosperous life in comparison to what he had been leading uh, before. So this change has come. Now, why this change did come? What has happened? Of actually, a priest is having access to people, all kinds of people, to those people also who are placed at very high positions or who can be helpful to the priest and uh, take care of uh, helping him financially and improving his life. So this thing the priest avails by dint of his connections, by dint of his contacts. And these rag pickers are at the margin of the society. They are squatters from Bangladesh. Even their being in India is a debatable matter of whether they should be accepted as Indian citizens or not. However, they have been accepted because they have got ration cards, they have got rights to vote. But those who have given them, who have managed to give them ration cards and right to vote, now these people are not actually interested in making them have a better lifestyle because their sole interest is in getting their votes, and that interest is best served when they are in that measurable position. And if they improve and if they migrate, means go from there somewhere else, they don't remain at Simapuri in that condition, then they won't be available to them to give them votes. Understand? So these people are helped with the vote politics in the mind of the people who are helping them. So they are helping them in a limited way, and that's why this contact does not help them much. But when we talk about the priest, we find that those who are helping the priest, they are not helping with such an intent. Their reasons are some different. Perhaps they are helping him thinking that if they will help him God will be pleased, or some other considerations are there. Maybe that the priest is poor, but his own family members are positioned at high positions and who can let him have the benefits of, or that his son is going to school at least and being educated, because we find that now when she goes she finds that there is a boy who is coming from school, he is wearing shoes and all that, and that's what we find, that the reason for the miserable condition of, of the rag pickers is not only that they are poor, but also because they are almost unconnected with the mainstream of the society. They don't have access to those people who would willingly help them and improve their conditions. So, this is also an aspect of the story. This should be also kept in mind. There may be a question, though it's not very easy that they would ask, but they may ask. And I want that the students should be prepared for from various viewpoints because they may ask from anywhere, whatever touches the syllabus, even extrapolatively. All right, extrapolative means of which is not totally inside the syllabus, but of which appears from the text. All right, totally not totally inside the text, but which has a bearing upon the text, and which comes from the text, or which is outside but has its impact inside the text. Thank you.